Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'm making a video on how to use a voice changer on PC. So first, you want to go to this website. I've included the link in the description. And it's free, but it also has some paid voices that you have to use. But the free voices are pretty good. So you want to download it and set it up. And it gives you instructions on how to do that. And then after that, you want to open the app. And after it's opened, you want to make sure that voice changer is on. I have my voice on because I like hearing my voice. But you want to make sure that voice changer is on, or else you won't be able to use it. And then, after you turn on voice changer, if you still can't hear your voice changing, you want to go down to this setting bar right there. And then when you see input devices, make sure that it's on your main microphone. Because if it's not, then you won't be able to hear yourself. And you want to set the output to your headphones or whatever you're using for your speakers. And after that, it should be able to change your
voice, and it's really cool.
And if you want to change it so you can stream it to like Xbox is what I'm using. What you want to do is you want to open the Xbox app. And after you open it up, you want to go to these three bars, go down to settings, and when you scroll down, see, look, these things, you see these two settings right here? It's still loading. But these two settings where it says party, speaker, a microphone, you want to change the speaker. There you go. You want to change the speaker. You'll see this, but I leave mine on this because that'll make it so it'll come out your headset. And then for the microphone, this is the key part. For the microphone, you want to set it to voice mod, virtual audio device. When you set it to that, now you control people on Xbox. And I don't know if you can do it on PS4 or not. I don't play PS4. So yeah, that's pretty much how you change it. And it's kind of funny. It's really funny, actually. So yeah, thanks. Bye.